So I've got myself a long-range 4-inch drone with a 3-amp lithium-ion battery, so it could go a long distance and it can stay out a long time. I've got the Rapidfire module with a couple of patch antennas, TBS Crosshair Extremes, and I've got this Skydroid $30 receiver with a couple antennas that cost more money than the receiver itself, connected up to my laptop. Who would win in a long-range test? The Skydroid or the Rapidfire? Let's find out. Hit the record button here so we can record this. Here goes nothing. Yesterday I was able to get out about 2 miles before I turned around. I thought maybe I'd try to get out a little bit farther today. It was a bit windy at the field, so I did this quick turnaround to check how the drone would handle on the way home. So I'm 2 miles out now, and I thought I'd test out the rescue mode functionality, seeing as I've never really gone farther than 2 miles before. So it seems to be working out just fine. Time to keep on flying out and see how far I can get.
potential of you and me. It's like a book elegantly bound, but in a language that you can't read just yet. You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart. You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart.
I went 3 miles out. That was awesome. And I never lost video signal. That was so... I'm shaking like no one's business, and I'm really high in the air. Let's lower my altitude somewhat. Holy crap. That's a mile farther than I've ever gone before. 3 miles out. Wow. Okay. I gotta pay attention to the flying now.
You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart. You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart. I will possess your heart. I will possess your heart. You reject my advances in desperate plea. I won't let you let me down so easily, so easily. You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart. You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart. You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me, and I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart. I will possess your heart. I will possess your heart.
So it would seem the Skydroid receiver performed just as well as the Rapidfire receiver today. I'd call that a win for the Skydroid, seeing as it is probably should have lost. I don't think it is consistently as good though. This isn't the first time I've run this test. Prior tests that I've run have shown that the Skydroid can give out altogether where the Rapidfire keeps on going. But still, it's saying a lot that with the right antennas and a $30 receiver, you can still get out 3 miles no problem.